Hey guys, welcome to another one of my videos. In this video, this is part 3 of the uh, Nextbook docking station. If you have not seen the other two parts, you can click this card up here for so that way you can be able to view the other two videos, and then you can click on them to watch them. But yeah, so this is part 3. So in the last video, I showed you the amplification circuit, but I took that off because it still had tons of distortion, and I couldn't fix that. And it also didn't really sound too good. So I just am dealing with the sound that comes out of those two speakers. Or else I could hook it up to my large speaker system, which has awesome sound, and I can turn it up into any volume that I want, which can come in handy for some silent videos. But yeah, so I still have it to where it's basically exactly the same. Okay, it's gonna have to go forward more, so that means I'm gonna have to move my camera. Okay, but as you see here, still got the same audio cable and the same micro USB cable, but the only difference is this. Yeah, you can see that glow. That is a USB hub. So now, instead of just having the mouse right here, I can have a humongous keyboard with it. Yeah, except it's a bit too big to show on the screen here. But I can now type out what I want to search and stuff. Or if I'm on Facebook and I'm on Messenger and I want to type to somebody, I just have to type it out on the keyboard now. But yeah, what I did say in one of the past two parts was I could not charge it because of this weird cable. It doesn't like to go in because you can't really get it in. But I found a way around that. And said, oh, it's charging. But with this USB hub, I can plug in little flash drives and yeah, now I can just view all the files that I have on there. Or I could hook this up. It's a multi-card reader. So you plug in whatever type of card that you have into here, and it will be able to read it through USB. Just plug that in and boom. Yeah. So still works the same because it's the same computer. But something that I don't like with this USB hub is whenever I'm using the mouse, sometimes if I'm moving along, it'll be going and then all of a sudden it jumps over here. And then I have to move it back over and it'll jump again or jump here or wherever. That's the only frustrating thing. Drop the microphone. But other than that, it works perfectly. Yeah, so this is the end of part 3, and hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to click the like and subscribe button so you know whenever I get new videos. And also make comments in the comment section for videos you would like me to do in the future, or how I could improve on this video. So once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.